intake was on it? The...
Oh, I'm beating him down low.
Yeah, you are.
This like one off back.
Oh, yeah. Wow. That's a lot of powers.
Probably good.
Yeah, it is a G body.
That's Josh Thomas, so I figured I'd throw my biggest contender.
It's not terrible.
No. It's still really cool to see a 700 wheel stock bottom.
Seriously.
Oh, Rusty boy.
What you doing here?
The old Cheerio.
The old Cheerio?
Putting a converter.
New converter, huh? You already in?
No.
Oh.
I've only been working on it for like an hour.
Looks like it comes apart pretty not bad.
Oh yeah, there's pretty much nothing back here.
Fair enough.
Like, these are the 2 wires.
Good old C5s.
There's no brake lines hooked up to the subframe anymore because they were all moved.
Oh yeah.
So they're just kind of there.
Because Brian had to take a bunch of pieces out of the body to make this fit.
Yeah, so far the longest thing we took the longest was the 6 bolts per axle.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It's dirty underneath.
I'd imagine it's from the exhaust shooting at the ground.
Yes.
Bad mix with the 9-inch.
Venting and...
The subframe is like cake.
Yay.
All the speeds and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
What can I do with that little bastard?
Yeah.
What about that little guy?
Akimbo happenings.
It's impressive that the stock pulley even clears.
Yeah, no fooling.
It's like, yeah.
Yeah, it's how the hell it comes. It's weird.
Average is good.
Yeah, this one should be about 580.
No flexi?
No, but he's got octane booster. Like
Oh, that's cool.
in it. Works.
Fair enough.
I think I milled his head 30.
Yay! That'll be nice.
That's the ticket.
Wow.
So I haven't stuck them on yet. But
Oh, they stick on with adhesive? That's nice. Yeah, pick it up. Oh, that's real light. Wow. It looks cool. It looks quality. How much for the pads and stuff?
$200 for the pads, and then so it was like $1,300 all said and done.
Whew.
I know.
Well,
I told Cal's summer diet plan for the vet. New converter's in, all done.
how have you driven it yet? Or yeah. I've been told it feels way tighter.
This is the point where I'm going to take the photo and email it to the customer.
Something else that might be answer the can ask. The oil can is all silicone.
Oh, it's been off?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Like, this just RGB the whole thing? Huh?
One more. Might be in that one, but I think the one below it.
Get both your hammers out.
The 2-inchers.
For this car?
Getting it on, I forgot. Underdrive, MSD, 102.
This car's your boogie, man.
It's gonna
How's it going, hot stuff?
Oh, pretty good. I like on the episode how like the entire episode was just making fun of me, Jeremy.
It wasn't making fun of you. It was showing the actual gains in your car
You'll get
with a
yours.
couple of little jokes in between.
You'll get yours.
It wasn't completely. It was a half-an-hour episode. I would say probably 6 minutes of that.
I was told that about 25 minutes of the half-hour episode was
It's because people are really bad at math. First of all, who told you that?
I believe you.
You haven't even watched the episode yet? First of all, I have a problem with that. Making assumptions, judging a book by its cover.
I watched about 5 minutes of it.
Yeah, but you probably watched all the parts where we weren't praising your car about how much power it made.
And then I was like, all right, where's the parts that I need to see? And they're like, it's pretty much the entire episode is making fun of you, Brian. I was
That's
like,
actually not true at all.
oh.
Somebody didn't watch the episode. I want to know who said that now. Brian, I wasn't making fun of you. Everybody else was making fun of you.
Yeah, I know they were.
And I put it in the episode so that I would showcase to the world how they treat you at the shop.
Yeah. -4 horsepower.
Happy anniversary. -4 horsepower. It was a little funny at points, though.
It was.
It was a little funny. What are you doing to your car now?
It's cam, ATI underdrive, electric water pump. Why not, you know?
Yeah, while you're there. That was actually really fast that you ordered that cam. I thought this was a...
It's funny because in the episode, so I was like, when you do a cam after this, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Probably 1 week later.
And there it is.
I'm just going around the street. I know, I'm just saying. It's reverse opening hood. Alright.
Just being safe.
I'll just walk. This doesn't fit. Even just driving around, it feels tight.
Yeah. Accelerating with traffic, but faster in traffic is under 3, which a lot tighter than it was.
Yeah, seriously.
Maybe probably 1,000 RPM.
And also the fluid and stuff I think helps too.
Yeah.
You look concerned, Nick.
Just taking a lot of fuel.
It's because it's making a lot of power.
More than I would have expected to see.
making good power.
Yeah, it's making great power, and we're still a little rich.
11.8.
Put a little bit more timing into it. That's doing really good, actually.
Yeah.
Wow.
473 for cam only.
Yeah. I'm
And stock
sure
intake?
I'm pretty sure this is cam only.
Oh,
isn't
yeah.
it? Or is
Oh,
it-
yeah.
Doesn't have heads. It's just defib cam.
Just defib.
Yeah. Thanks, making some power.
That's why I was like impressed, because you know, Lucas just slid this one out and slid the new one in with the same lifters and everything.
Jesus.
That's good power, man.
It's doing good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are some pretty solid gains. Man, that is all up top. Look at that. Woo!
Can't compare it to the previous one because the tacks pickup was screwed up. So I can only compare it over speed with no torque.
Alright.
But
Man, look how much more there is, though. There's just more.
just lots more.
And there's more further.
Wow. Impressive. 480. He's
Pretty
gonna
good.
love that.
Oh yeah, MSD.
Oh, my balls are on fire! What'd you do to it, Tom?
Give it a sauce, you know?
Woo! How much?
All of it.
God damn.
Oh,
91.
hang on.
Oh.
Beats by Dre.
It's gonna be right around 580.
What the hell is that? Rid of that.
I don't know what that is. Or it does that every week. We need to do some maintenance on this.
Oh, you know you keep saying that, but I know what you're really doing. I know what you're really doing. You're trying to me. You know I'm trying to down my car this weekend.
Dyno's broke. So it's probably
It's somewhere in the middle.
where's the middle? 586?
Yeah.
Any wheel is pretty good with no E.
It wouldn't pick up really much on E, if anything.
Probably pick up 5 to 10.
Even with the heads milled?
Well, he's got Torco accelerator in there, so it's not really timing safe.
Oh, you mean on top of this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Up top, I'm at 22 to 23 degrees of time.
Okay. So it might make 600.
So be aware of that.
That's a 100
Hi,
horsepower.
hi, sir. Would you like some added torque down low?
Seriously.
All right, I'm done making block holes. I'm just going to do a little bit more drivability. Yeah, and see if I can minimize it.
So I'm curious how this one will drive, because it came in with a K&N cold air intake, which is fine power-wise, but the MAF signal is not the best.
Oh yeah.
We typically do air raid, Haltech, or if they're willing to do fans, if they drive in stop and go traffic, the Veram.
Okay.
But in Arizona, unfortunately, with the Vera Ram, it blocks so much of the radiator. If you're going to daily drive it in the summer here, you have to upgrade the fans.
Right, right.
Now I'm off everything.
That's still pretty good. Yeah,
Not bad.
I don't feel anything. For cruising at 5 miles an hour, you know?
Yeah, through a parking lot?
Yeah. It really is, you have to compare them to a stock car, right? Because, I mean, you're making 100 wheel more, it's like, you're expecting to have a lot of trade-offs, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
but
see, that little bit right there, though.
That's nothing.
It's nothing, but it doesn't exist with the other intakes.
Right, exactly, yeah.
Which, depending on this guy's driving habits, he may never even